All right, welcome back. We're going to do some examples. So the first example we're going to do is we're going to suppose we're given log of 5 equals 0.7, and we're going to estimate log 2. Now, remember that if the base is not given, then you're going to assume it's log 10. Okay, if the base is not given, then you just take that as log 10. Okay, and natural log is log base e. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take that to be log base 10. Now, log base 10 of 10, we know that has to be 1, right? If you think about it, if you put a little 1 there, log base 10 of 10 to the 1 has to equal 1. So, noting that 10 equals 5 times 2, okay, noting that 10 equals 5 times 2, we're going to write log base 10 of 5 times 2 equals 1. Okay, but remember what the rules we just learned. If we multiply 5 and 2 inside the logarithm, that means we can add the logarithms. So 1 has to equal log base 10 of 5 plus log base 10 of 2. Now, we know log base 10 of 5. Log base 10 of 5, we've assumed, or we're given that it's 0.7. So, I did it one way here, but I could have just said 0.7 plus log base 10 of 2 equals 1. So log base 10 of 2 equals 1 minus 0.7. And we get log base 10 of 2 is approximately 0.3. Okay, next example. Now this next example I'm going to do a couple ways. We are given that log of x is 3, log of y is 5, and log of 4 is 0.6. Now again, the log isn't written, so we can assume that the base is 10. Okay? We don't actually need to do that here when we use the log rules, but here we're going to use that. We're doing it two different ways. So this is what was expected using the log rules. We want to evaluate log of 4x squared y. Okay? So we have 4 times x squared times y. So remember, if we're multiplying inside the log, we can add the logarithms. So we're going to have log of 4x squared y is log of 4 plus log of x squared plus log of y. Now, we're going to use that other rule, the power rule here. This 2, we could put it right in front here. Okay? That's what we did going from in that step. So, log of 4, 2 log of x, plus log of y. Log of 4 is 0.6. Log of x, remember, was 3, so we're going to have 2 times that 3. Log of y is 5. So, 0.6 plus 2 times 3 plus 5 gives you 5 plus 6 plus 0.6, 11.6. Okay, this was the sort of expected way to do it, okay? This is how your expected way. Okay, but I also want to just sort of put things together and look at this directly. Okay, so we're still going to evaluate log of 4x squared y, but I want you to look over here. So, over here. So if log of x is 3, we actually know what x is because we're dealing in base 10. We haven't been given the base. So if we haven't been given the base, we assume it's 10. Now, if there was an A here, we couldn't do that. But since there's nothing written, we assume it's 10. 10 to the third is 1,000. So that's what x has to be. X has to be 1,000. Similarly, if log of y equals 5, then y has to equal 10 to the 5, or 100,000. Now, if you plug that into your calculator, 4 times our 1,000 squared times our 100,000, you're going to have, it's going to ask you for the log of 4 to the 11th. Okay? You got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3 is 8, plus 3 more. 2, 3 is 11. That's the 4 to the 11th. Or you could have just done it in your calculator. If you take the log of 4 to the 11th, you're going to get your 11.6, which is what we had over here. So just a nice little way to see the two things connect together. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.